Welcome to Blue Bonnet channel. And this I'm so excited to introduce the second series of Science Box My Keto. My daughter Chloe subscribed the Science Box, and this is a company name KiwiCo, and the project name is Chloe Pendulum, the episode 2. And I'm going to share the URL so you can take a look at what's inside. And this is instruction video.
Hey guys, Andy here with KiwiCo. Let's build a glowing double pendulum.
See, this is a component, right? And so preparing. So first of all, is making a box. Yeah, making a box first. And then in the electronics, there's a battery here, okay? I'm making a pendulum now. And using an arm, so they can make a free forward and backward, and then LEDs, right? And screws. So once make the electronics, see the lighting, and then they put it the arms. See? Yeah, something like that, and attach. Yeah, attach like see the arms here. Then turn off. See the motion. So this is a project. So, and okay, let me show you the what is a pendulum? Pendulum is a weight hung from the fixed point, so that it can be swing freely backward and forward like this. Especially a rod that with a weight at the end that to regulate the mechanism of the clock. And see, this is a pendulum. Okay, so this is what we received today. And Chloe opened the box here, and then there's a manual. And this is a component. All of so everything is included here. And this is a project named Glowing Pendulum. And this is how we did. Science box from the KiwiCo and Tinkercrate and subscription-based service. They deliver like once per month. Grace, correct? Once per month? Okay. And then the first one was? This was the first one.
Spinning our machine.
Yeah, you can see the video that I uploaded a long time ago. The first project, and this is the second project.
Broadcasted last time, but this is the second box. And the title is Glowing Pendulum. I don't know what that is.
Instructions.
Instruction and a manual, and then all the material here. Fantastic, fantastic. Thank you, Chloe. And what's inside here?
We have some tape.
Tapes and everything. All right, guys, let me pause here, and then I'm gonna come back.
And this is manual.
This is
graphical.
The manual, the instruction. It's a very good explanation here, and normally these guys put their instructional video on YouTube. So I strongly recommend, if you're a first-time user, and check out their YouTube video. The address is, I forgot, but okay, let me pause and put it right there underneath of my video, or up here, so they can find.
Yeah, I'm going to put all the link.
Instruction video, okay?
Under the video.
Yeah, here it is.
Here it is.
URL of this product. Tinkercrate.com/pendulum.
You can find the YouTube video here.
Right?
So this is the thing that we were. This is the same thing.
Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, hang on. So this is a YouTube video.
Let's build a glowing double pendulum.
On the YouTube, I'm going to share the link. See, this is the product. So it should be like this. Awesome. And this is a component set. And so I strongly recommend to watch the YouTube video first. And flow instruction in this.
Awesome. Let me pass it on. You already watched.
Yeah. So.
Oh. No.
Okay, let me pause. Hey.
Okay, here it comes. So this is the final product by my daughter.
It's already ready, and by Chloe, she made everything.
And then
now.
turn off the light.
It's ready to show magic. Glowing pendulum. Chloe, shall we start? Let's get set, go. Woohoo!
See,
It's not in circular.
It's not in
move, as you
circular.
see,
It's because
it's
of
more free
the
move.
free
Wow,
back
it's
and
glowing
the forward.
and lighting
pendulum.
on the surface of magic bowl. Oh my goodness!
Should we
Oh
do it on
my.
the side?
Okay, one second. Let me let audience see enjoy this moment first, and then another way is this is a vertical. Yes, awesome. Okay, wait. Whoa! No, wait. Wow, it's glowing and free pattern. It's a random movement. And the glowing and lighting on the surface. And then one other way, Chloe, let's stop.
Okay.
And we show the side way. Okay? Okay, wait.
Yeah,
So
put
this
it down.
way,
Put
we
down
put
the
it down and
the
side
paper.
It's
And
more funner.
okay, she likes this
Paper
one better,
board,
right? Okay, 1 second. Get set, go.
See, this is much better, and she likes
See,
this
wow,
way
the-
and
The drawing on the
more.
surface is amazing, like a magic, unbelievable. Wow.
There's
it's-
more fun things to do. Like,
Woo! Wow, that's amazing. And yes, unbelievable.
it goes slow, fast.
Yeah, it's a free motion and a drawing like a robot arm on the surface. Okay, this is it.
Also, more things.
So one more try, okay? Let it run and see what's going on more. Do you want to stop, Chloe?
Sure.